Hey guys! Today on Kavu Creative, we are mixing geometry with medicine. We are going to build a perfect healthcare logo using the grid system. It is precise, clean, and professional. Let's make it happen. So, let's start designing. Let's turn on the center point. Double-click the Artboard tool. Select the option that says Show Center Mark. Press OK. Set the fill to none. We only want to work with the stroke. Select the rectangular grid tool. Click the center point while holding the Alt key. Enter 300 pixels for width and height. Now, set horizontal and vertical lines to 13. Create the grid. Select the pen tool. Now, carefully connect the points, using the grid as a guide. Keep clicking until the shape is complete. To finish the path, just hold Ctrl and click anywhere outside. Select your entire artwork. Choose the Shape Builder tool. Change the stroke to fill, so we can see clearly. Connect the inner shapes by dragging over them. Finally, hold Alt to trim the outside parts. Right-click and choose Ungroup. Select everything again. Now, hold the Shift key and carefully click on the design parts you want to keep. Now press Delete to remove the extra lines. Select all objects. Select the Rotate tool. Hold Alt and click on the center point. Set the angle to 90 degrees. Click Copy. Press Ctrl D 2 times to complete the design. Apply the base color using the eyedropper tool. Now, hold the Ctrl key to temporarily switch to the Selection tool. Select the entire design. From the Object menu, select Expand. Make sure Fill and Stroke are checked. Click OK. Open Pathfinder and choose Divide. Select the Magic Wand tool. Click on the white outline. Hit Delete to remove it. And done. Your clean and trustworthy medical logo is ready. Don't forget to save your work. Did you like this design? Let me know in the comments. Please subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video. Keep creating.